Hello, everyone. Welcome to Popcorn by Axis Direct, a podcast that simplifies the world of investing for you.
Popcorn. Let's know how the market is looking today as we bring you the trade setup through the Daily Morning Note. Starting with the overview of the markets. Asian markets are trading lower as investors continue to monitor the liquidity crisis at China Evergrande Group. Nikkei is trading lower by 1.98%. Hang Seng is trading lower by 0.13%. And Shanghai is shut for trading due to holiday. Indian indices are expected to open higher. SGX Nifty was trading higher by 0.33%. Nifty opened sharply lower with a downward gap and traded with extreme volatility throughout the session to close on a negative note. Nifty closed at 17,397 with a loss of 188 points. Nifty futures closed at 17,387 on a negative note, with a 5.9% decrease in the open interest indicating long unwinding. Nifty futures closed at a discount of 28 points compared to the previous day premium of 36 points. Now, let's jump to the market news. Competition Commission of India approves the proposed acquisition of 10.4% shares of Gangavaram Port by Adani Ports. Cadila Healthcare's subsidiary Zydus Healthcare has entered into an agreement with Intergrace Private Limited to sell two brands, MyVguest and Cytolog. And HCL Technologies announced a 5-year digital transformation deal with US-based MKS Instruments. HCL will drive digital and cloud-enabled transformation for MKS Instruments through AI/ML-led automation. Moving ahead, here are the technical picks for the day. Info Edge India Limited with sell below at 6,560, stop loss at 6,625 and target price is between 6,500 to 6,440. And Titan Company Limited with sell below at 2,070, stop loss at 2,091 and target price is between 2,050 to 2,030. And finally, let's have a look at the stock futures. Indian Hotels Company Limited, PVR Limited, Godrej Properties Limited and GMR Infrastructure Limited fall under long build-up, whereas Zee Entertainment Enterprises Limited, Tata Steel Limited, Vodafone India Limited and Interglobe Aviation Limited fall under short build-up. That's it for today. We will see you back tomorrow morning with fresh updates of the market right here at Popcorn by Axis Direct. Till then, happy trading. Popcorn.
Stay on top of your investments with Axis Direct. Through powerful research, advanced tools, and multiple trading platforms, Axis Direct offers simplified solutions for all your investment needs. Log on to axisdirect.in to start your investment journey with us.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.